Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Cliff, and today I'm going to be showing you these welding nozzles I just got in. They are YESWELDER, and at work sometimes I get into some really tight spaces that my normal hood doesn't fit into. This is what I usually run, the Miller Elite. It doesn't have the Elite lens in it. I got the aftermarket. Aftermarket works really well. You can order that on Amazon. I'm not going over that today, but I am going over this one. For tight spots, you need a smaller hood. So I got this little guy. Doesn't really protect here, but you can see it's a lot smaller than just your regular one. Fit in there in tight spaces, but actually wearing these, you can see that they're riding right on my nose right here. So if I get a good shot in there, right there, that piece of plastic is riding right on my nose. It's really uncomfortable. So you guys kind of modify these to where they fit a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can do to it. There it is. Round that away, maybe do a little more sanding to it just to kind of smooth it out, but it fits so much better. And you just really poke that back in with, like, you can use a toothpick if you want. I use my flathead from my multi-tool. The glass itself is actually really nice when you strike an arc. It's like a light blue color. The bad thing I did notice is cover plates. The cover plates are a unique shape and how they fit in there. You're gonna have to special order these. It's not something you can just walk into the welding shop and get. So I won't be using these a whole lot, but it's definitely gonna help me out when I really need it. You do get two extras and two extra outer lenses and an extra battery. You do not get an extra inner lens. So use the bag. Bag it comes with, put it in there.